interrupt in the front. So in the front storage area, you do have these MORryde pull-out trays, which are full extension.
I love
which
those.
Which are nice. So, I mean, that comes way out, y'all. So, as you see this window, it actually, I mean, there's the bedroom, so it fully extends out. Okay, this is model number 2075. You come in, you have your dinette here. This is on a telescoping pedestal, so this can compress down and become a bed. It's a nice U-shaped dinette. You've got cabinetry all the way across. That all comes up here, okay? You got your JBL sound system right here, a couple speakers, which is all nice, all right? Directly this way, there's your TV, which will fold out. So when you're sitting here, because this is going to be your dinette and your sofa, so it covers us both. By the way, show price $71,995. Okay. Your kitchen, it's a bit on the small side for this unit, or in general, but this is a small unit, right? So you got a little round sink, right? You got, this is a 2-burner stove, I believe, right? You got your backsplash, which is still nice. A couple of big cabinets up top. One is storage, one is your microwave. Open, okay. This is a sign that says open, all right. And you've got a couple of drawers down here. That's not very deep, it's kind of shallow, but again, you can, it's still usable, right?
Oh, it's great for utensils and laying your spices sideways, yeah.
All right.
Power.
Power is here. I'm gonna back up again, give this to Lisa. There's some cabinets here, which is, this is a big cabinet, it's adjustable.
Oh yeah, that goes way back there.
Oh, wow, I went to pull it this way, but it comes out this way.
Nice.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
And then this one as well.
Yes.
That's kind of unique.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there something underneath here?
I don't know. Oh, look at that. Oh, for the liners.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Hidden storage.
Yeah, love that. Good find. All right, then we're in the bathroom. Honestly, it's a decent sized bathroom for a trailer this small.
Oh, it really is.
Toilet's in a really good place. This is great for tall and fluffy.
Yeah.
Right? Next to me, got a nice glass vessel sink.
Isn't that pretty?
Right? Cool looking faucet. You do have some storage underneath. Okay, not a lot of room for towels and things in here, but I'm sure we can stick them somewhere else. All right, you got a little medicine cabinet, and I can see my entire self in it.
Beautiful.
All right. The shower will be probably like the other one. Yep, I do fit up in the bubble, so not a problem. The door, the shower door is on this curved bar, so it does give you a little bit more width when it's closed because it does extend out a little bit. Shower head, you know, it's as high as it can go. Obviously, as you can see where it is compared to where I am. You know, it's below me a little bit, but you know, I'm just gonna do this.
And about how high could you be, how tall could you be in there?
Same as the other one, about 6'6".
About
right?
6'6".
I'm 6'4" if I haven't mentioned, guys, so. All right, you got yourself your little Norcold refrigerator here. Okay, again, this is also propane. Again, it is tight in here, guys. We're not gonna lie to you, okay? So when the doors are open, and you know.
Yep, that's it.
Right, now you do have a curtain that closes off the bedroom, right, if you wanna have a little privacy. All right, when you come in here, this looks to be like a queen. There's some storage underneath there.
Wow, this cross ventilation is awesome.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
So what she's talking about, remember that window we were showing you when we're on the outside? Here it is. Right? I mean, I'm out, my hand's outside, but it's got one on the other side too. Right, so, you know, if you're somewhere it's great weather, you can have these screens down because they are screened, so it keeps the bugs out. Same on the other side, and you can get some nice cross ventilation.
Yes.
There is cabinetry left and right. I'm sure this is hanging space, right? There's a drawer here as well. Same on the other side. Okay. Power, USB, 12 volt, plenty of space for the CPAPs if you need them. And again, identical on the other side. Right across from the bed, there is a couple of cabinets here. Put things there, and a spot for TV up top.
Very nice.
So there you go. And then this JBL, again, I guess you could bring a speaker back there.